towards me, but all kind of try to like sandwich in on Trevor. And then like be smiley, be a little laughy, be a little like a little lighthearted.
These directions are cool.
Yeah. Ready? All right.
Okay, pretend something really funny.
1, 2, 3, go, go, go. Go, sneak in, get tighter, get tighter, get tighter.
We're gonna get him.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm getting it. I'm getting it.
This is weird.
All right.
Awkward.
This is weird.
Good. Must have been out of jail.
A whole bunch of guys behind you.
Yeah, exactly. Morning, friends. Today is Thursday. It's gonna be Friday when you watch this, and it's another travel day. I'm headed back home for the vlog. Oh, you won't be able to hear me, but if you could, that'd be sweet. It's just for the vlog, one of these shots, you know? Oh, more comfortable with my buddy Levi.
So to get the behind the scenes better.
You guys, I'm leaving the lake today. I'm sad. I'm happy. I'm going home to my family. You probably can't hear a word. It's too windy. I got the windscreen on top, but it's all over the place. Levi, it was fun, dude. It was fun. I pulled over. I had this great spot to vlog, and it's just too windy. It's too windy and too noisy. Too many cars. So I'm gonna sacrifice the good view so we can just be intimate and talk.
Hi, buddy.
Well, I made it home, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty tired, and today's one of those first days where I'm like, man, I don't know if I'm gonna have time to make a vlog because I'm exhausted and I wanna hang out with the family. But there is one thing I wanna talk about real quick today, gonna be a fast one, and it's how to stay in this creative mindset. How to stay in a creative, inspired, motivated mindset. I used to kind of just let it happen. Like when I got motivated and inspired, like cool, and then when I didn't, it was like, well, it's not here now. But there's a few things you can do, there's a few things I do to get me in that place. It's 3 things, and the first thing is I gotta stop overthinking whatever that thing is. I'm trying to make an edit, trying to make a video, trying to make something or create something, and it's not coming to me, and I'm not feeling like, man, like what am I gonna do? I don't know how it's gonna work. It's because I'm starting to overthink the process. I'm overthinking what we're doing. I'm overthinking it in a way where I'm making it bigger than it needs to be in my mind. So step 1 is to stop overthinking it and only really think about what's critical to make the piece work. The second thing I do is music, and there's 2 ways I use music. First way is I'll put on some songs that I know and love, that, you know, just a good song that you know all the words to, whatever it is. But even that can get to the point where it's like, man, like you've heard it so many times, it doesn't really make you feel the same as you did. So the other thing is to listen to new music, find new music that maybe makes you kind of feel something. And you might be thinking like, man, I need some new music, I don't have new music. Like, do you have a recommendation? You know I got a recommendation. There's a guy that I've been listening to, and he's only had a handful of songs. He's not super huge yet, but do yourself a favor and go listen to Beta Blocker. Beta Blocker just put out some new music. He spells it Beta Blocker, and the E at the end is actually the number 3. So Beta Blocker with a 3 instead of an E at the end. And he just dropped some new music, but his old music is really good too. If you haven't listened to Beta Blocker and you like 80s infused and inspired pop music that just drives and has a beat, it has a bit of an electronic feel, you're gonna love Beta Blocker. The current track I'm bumping a lot is called It's Too Late. Ooh! It's a banger, guys. Beta Blocker, listen to Beta Blocker. That helps you get inspired. That helps you get motivated. When you hear new music, you hear someone else that's being a creative, expressing themselves in a way where you get pumped. So go listen to music, go find some new music. And the third and definitely most important thing that I like to do to get back in that inspired, motivated mindset is gratitude. Gratitude is the key to everything. Everything that I talk about in some way or another leads back to gratitude. And there's a few different things you can do in the space of gratitude. The first one is with yourself. Just have thoughts to yourself and think about the things you're grateful for. Think about the things that you have that a lot of people in this world don't have. Anybody can find things that they wish they had or that are bad in their life, but we've all got something good. We've all got something that we can be grateful for. So find something that you're grateful for, and usually that's gonna kind of lift your spirits a little bit and put you back in that creative mindset. The other thing you can do is you can express gratitude. And when I say express gratitude, I mean tell somebody thank you. Tell somebody how much you appreciate what they do for you. Tell someone how much they mean to you. Just getting those juices flowing and having that engagement with someone else that's super positive, and you're just expressing thanks for no other reason besides wanting them to know how you feel. So find someone that you can express gratitude to. So just real quick, don't overthink it. Play some bumping tunes and express some gratitude. That's it for this Thursday vlog. I've got a couple of days that are gonna be a little bit quiet in preparation for this insane month of August. So we'll be hanging out for the next couple of days, but the month of August is gonna be a fun one, I promise you. You won't wanna miss it. Have a beautiful Thursday, probably Friday because that's when you're watching it, and I'll see you guys later.